What's up guys, this is Messi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to add and subtract square roots that need simplification. So the first example I want to do is square root of 27p cubed minus square root of 48p cubed. So the first thing I need to do, 27 is 3 times 9, then p cubed minus 48 is 3 times 16 p cubed. Then 9 is 3 squared, so square root of 3 squared is going to be just 3 root p cubed minus square root of 16 is 4, so it's going to be 4 root 3 p cubed. Then we can simplify it. It will be negative 3 minus 4 is going to be negative 1, or negative root 3 root p3. And this one is p squared times p, that will be so it will change to finally p, or negative p root 3p. Okay, that's the final answer. Next example is (9 root 50m squared minus 6 square root of 48m squared. I can write it like that. Answer is 9 root 50 root m squared minus 6 root 48 root m squared. And then 50, I can write 50 as 25 to m squared, and here I can have 16 3 m squared, because 48 is 16 times 3 and 50 is 25 times 2. So square root of 25 is 5 and square root of 16 is 4. So 9 times 5 will be 45 root 2 times square root of m squared is just m minus, here we have 6 times 4, 24, square root of 3, square root of m squared is just m. So the answer, if you rearrange it, is going to be 45m root 2 minus 24m root 3. That's the final answer. Next example. (5 32 root 32 x squared minus 3 root 48 x squared. The answer is we have 5 32 is 16 times 2, it's going to be 16 2 square root of x squared is going to be just x minus 3 root 16 is 3, and then square root of x squared is going to be x as well. Square root of 16 is 4, so 5 times 4 20, it's going to be 20x root 2 minus 3 times square root of 16 is 4, 3 times 4 12, it's going to be 12x root 3. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.